Swapping in PancakeSwap with Trust Wallet. So if you want to swap on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet, all you have to do is open Trust Wallet and make sure that you're signed into your account. Go to the Discover option from the bottom right, and in the search bar you can simply search for PancakeSwap, right? And you'll find the first link right there, obviously, so you want to tap on that. Now if you haven't already connected the PancakeSwap wallet, you'll find the option called Connect. So that's the first thing that you have to do. Just tap on the Connect option to basically connect with your Trust Wallet account, and then just go ahead and select Trust Wallet and then tap on the Connect option. Once you've connected it, now you can simply swap your BNB to any of the other ones, or you can select the source token from which you want to swap to which you want to swap to, and tap on the enter an amount option to enter them, and then swap using your PancakeSwap. But first, make sure to connect the wallet, and this way you will be able to swap in PancakeSwap with Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.